Hi, welcome to week 6. I want to talk about one of the assignments you have this week in Principles of Management, and it's the Project Management Essentials Certificate. So this is a certificate that you'll do with an outside organization. They're online. It's called MSI, and they do a lot of certificates for online training. So you'll go into the week 6 folder, and you'll see that it is the first item here in the folder. And the things I want you to remember is this is a free certificate. It takes about 20 to 30 minutes to do. You'll go through the certification and then you'll take an online exam. I did it as well, and that's about how long it'll take. It is free, so don't provide any credit card information. You do not have to do that. Use your Delaware Tech email address and also use the Delaware Tech street address. So it's right here, as well as the Delaware Tech phone number, and that way you're not having to provide any of your personal information. So you'll click here. Again, they're called MSI, so this is their web page you'll be taken to. This is one of 2 certificates you're going to do with them for the course. So make sure you write down your information when you create an account. This is the course syllabus. If you want to download it, it's a PDF, and this kind of tells you, about the certificate itself. Okay, so they talk about what is a project, how do they fail. So it has a lot to do with managing a project. So you enroll. Again, it's free. You'll agree to their terms of service. So you'll scroll all the way down and say accept their terms of service. And then I already created an account, but you'll be directed to a screen where you'll create an account. So again, use your Delaware Tech email address and create an account. They'll send you an email to your Delaware Tech email that you then follow that link back to the MSI site, and then it'll say you can check out. So again, it's free, so you don't have to provide any information. So when it says payment information, don't put anything in there. Just say go to dashboard, because it is free. Okay, so again, make sure you don't provide any information. And this is where you'll get started. Okay, so you'll hit the start button, which is right here, and you'll go, there's 6 modules, so you'll go through the course and complete it. And at the end, you'll be able to fill in your name and get a certificate. So make sure you fill in your name like you would want it to appear. Capitalize your first name and last name, and make sure your spelling's correct, because you're going to download that PDF of your certificate, and that's what you're going to upload to Delaware Tech. So once you're done with your certificate here, and you've filled in the certificate, you're going to go back to the Delaware Tech site in D2L, and you're going to upload the certificate that you created. So here's where or the certificate that you got. So here's where you'll upload your certificate for the Project Management Essentials class. Here's the other thing, hang on to that certificate, because now you have completed, training in Project Management Essentials. So you can also add that to your resume, and you can keep it for your portfolio. And then later on in the course, a week or so from now, we'll do a second certification with MSI. Please email me if you have any questions, and have a great week. Thanks.